Hi. I use this Canon LiDE 300. It's one of the best scanner on budget, and today I will show you how to use it properly in your PC with a simple scanner application. Simply connect the scanner to your PC via USB. Now, come to Microsoft Store. And search for scanner. Come to this Windows Scan. Install it and open. I already installed it. It detected the scanner. Here you can see the full functions of the app. Scanner model, file type, then color mode, DPI, etc. Now I am putting a copy of my handwritten note. It's scanning. And you can see the results. It's totally HD and the format was PNG. So, this is how you can easily use any scanner including Canon LiDE 300 in your PC and scan documents. If you need any driver for this scanner, then let us know in the comment box. Please be with us and also subscribe. Goodbye.